So if you're following social media today, you would have realized that it's going crazy today. It's gone crazy, super crazy. Over a clip of a young boy and the Dalai Lama. It's a cropped video, so people don't know what's actually took place there. But with the headline and the description, it does insinuate, because of the cropped format, it does insinuate that something very insidious thing took place. But what actually happened and where that thing happened is very important. Where that happened was in the Dalai Lama's palace, Dalai Lama's temple, in front of hundreds of people. There were hundreds of graduate students there, and the Dalai Lama was giving a talk to them. It took place in the Dalai Lama's temple, where on a daily basis there would be hundreds of people visiting. So in the midst of hundreds of people, the Dalai Lama was giving a talk, and this incident took place. A young boy came up to the Dalai Lama. Well, he asked the Dalai Lama if he could give Dalai Lama a hug, and he said yes, come up. And the Dalai Lama does this all the time with always does that with different people, public figure, common, non-common, everyone. He would tuck the beard, he would touch the nose, he would touch the cheek, he would kiss on the cheek, always playful, joking around. So the same thing happened with this kid. If you know the Dalai Lama's character, you would know this is a very playful character, very playful thing, very jovial thing, fun. Nothing insidious, nothing serious, nothing gross. In any case, this thing took place 2 months ago, in front of hundreds of people, in front of all those media houses which were reporting on this like crazy, day in and day out. At that time, when the Dalai Lama was giving a speech on love, on education, on peace, on global warming, on taking care of the world, they didn't think it was important to make it viral. But now, because this is getting TRP, they're making it viral. Anyway, there are a few questions that we need to ask ourselves. There are quite a few questions that we need to ask. First of all, why is this video resurfacing after 2 months? 2 months of silence, nothing. All of a sudden, someone totally unrelated to the kid or the family comes up, becomes, holier than thou character, and magnanimously becomes the supporter, speaks for the kid, speaks for the child abuse, whatever. Anyway, so why is it coming after 2 months? Question number one. Question number two, where is this re-originating from? It's an old video. So it's re-originating, recirculated, and it's being retweeted. So where are all this recirculation, retweeting happening, re-origination taking place from? And if you read all the tweets and the retweets, the comments, and open up the profile who is doing who is making the comments, who are writing the comments, then you will find that many of them, though the initial conversation starters, those who started the mudslinging and the slur against the Dalai Lama, were all new accounts, maybe made 2 months ago, a few days ago, all new. Basically, these are the same accounts where they would always attack the Dalai Lama, mudsling the Dalai Lama, slur the Dalai Lama, criticize the Dalai Lama on his public talks, on his teachings, on his pictures, everywhere. Basically, every move that the Dalai Lama makes, they have something to say. They have something negative to say. So, the most important question, the last question, is who is to gain from the fall of the Dalai Lama? Who are the people that is going to gain from the fall of the Dalai Lama? which country, which people, which organization? So that's the most important question. That's the reason why it's resurfacing today. We have to ask the question back to them. Why is it happening today? Where is it originating from? Who is to gain from it? And most importantly, what's happening in the place where this re-origination is taking place from? Thank you.